What is good, you guys? I'm back at you today with another video. As you obviously probably know, you guessed right, it is going to be fishing. Today, it's a change because it might not be biting as good. It's kind of cold out here. We got a north wind blowing about 15 miles an hour. So, I mean, I'm still going to try. I mean, I love fishing, so I'm still going to try. I don't know why. My legs are freezing. Didn't know if it was going to be hot or cold. I walked outside and it was cold, but hey, I want to fish. So I'm going to be using this watermelon red fluke. And as you know, the beetle spin at times will be changing it up. I want to catch about 2 or 3 fish in this video, so I mean, just watch the whole video, even if it's a little bit longer than all my other ones. We're going to see what I can do. Oh no, can't see right there. Sorry guys, let me put my phone in a good spot. And there we go. Back to school, prove to my dad I'm not a fool. Got my lunch kit so I can take the big bite. Hope I don't get in a fight. Whoa, back to school. Back to school. Good catch, guys. Let's hope I catch the big one. Oh, that's a pretty nice fish, guys. What do you mean? Yes, sir, that's a nice fish. Let's get him. Oh, yeah, he's about 1.5 pounds or so. But that's a pretty good first fish. Oh, yeah, good hook setting off. Oh, yeah, I just got hooked. Oh. That hurts, that hurts, that hurts. Oh, sorry, guys. Went straight in my thumb. Oh, wow. Yeah, this fish is not a happy jack. But it's a pretty good first fish. Just got hooked to the thumb. So, bye-bye, little guy.